Today I'm going to show you how to make a croccante, which means crunchy in Italian, and it's my take on a classic French sandwich. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 slices of sourdough bread, some grated mozzarella cheese, some good quality ham, cold bechamel sauce, which is milk, flour, and butter with a pinch of nutmeg, and some extra virgin olive oil. First, you want to just drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil on the bread. Take some of the cold bechamel and just lather it right on the bread. Add your ham, a little bit of the melted mozzarella, some more bechamel on the bread, some more bechamel on the bread, and add your cheese, and we're ready to put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, we're ready to pull our sandwich out of the oven, plate it up. Here we're going to drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil, and we're ready to enjoy our crunchy sandwich. Buon appetito.